now in this subject, we are going to create more ad accounts right away. Okay. So we will go to the ad account section. Now they didn't send you any notification though that you can create more ad accounts, right? You were charged 4.84 for your Facebook ads. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Now, add. Let's click here. Add an ad account. Okay, sorry, not add, but create a new ad account. So click add. Create a new ad account. We're going to call it AC2. AC2. Okay. Or add account 2. Add account 2.
So you
underscore in add account 2. Scroll down, select payment method.
I think that's my time zone. I mean, I'm very close to Chicago. Well, not that close, but close.
But the time zone is the same, right?
Yeah, I believe it's correct.
Okay. If not
sure, but I believe.
You can always click here and choose your time zone. Go ahead, just find your time zone.
But this, I don't know about this GMT.
Don't worry about GMT. Just find, like you live in Tennessee, right?
Yeah.
So
like I say, Chicago. I think Chicago is the closest to me.
Chicago is the closest, like Los Angeles.
I believe so. No, that's a long way. It's got to be Chicago.
Let's see. Costa Rica, Swift Current. Are you in Central time zone or Pacific or what?
Central.
Okay. So, America.
Nah, that's got to be it.
Chicago.
Kentucky, Louisiana, Louisville. I'm close to Kentucky too.
Now we're going to, this is the MasterCard, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Click next. My business, any business one. Okay.
Okay.
Create. Any business, right? And let's turn this on. So you will be able to control
performance.
Sign. There you go. This is the ad account ID for your second ad account. Okay.
Okay. We need to put that on notepad.
ID. No, that's okay. You don't need that.
Oh, we can get them. Okay.
You don't need to note it, but let's say if you want to know, it's here. Okay.
Okay.
Any add account to any, right? So now let's create the third ad account. So let's go here, create a new ad account. I'll paste here. I'll call it as any ad account 3. And I'm going to select the payment method, MasterCard. Click next. My business, any one. Create third ad account. Any business one. My job. Turn this on.
What about this view performance thing? Oh, we don't worry about that right now.
Access reports and view ads. You're just giving, you're just giving access to Amy Gibson for all this stuff. Obviously, this is you. So
yeah, manage campaigns. That button didn't get clicked. The manage campaign button didn't get clicked. Does that matter?
It did. So if I click here, scroll down. It did. Everything was on. So
Oh, okay. All
yeah,
right.
click here. So now we're going to click create a new ad account once more. Click this, paste the link. 1, 2, 3. This would be 4. Right, in ad account for any. Select
Select
payment
payment
method.
method. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Quit
click
mailing.
next. Yep, click next. My business, any business one. Click create. Any
I
business,
like it.
any Gibson. Turn
Manage.
everything on.
Manage.
Manage
Oh,
ad
this
account.
one
Turn
was
it on.
on. We don't need both of them on, do we?
No, no, we need both of them on. Turn the other
Do
one
we?
on as well.
Oh, it went off when I turned that one
No,
on.
it went. It is on. It is on. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
right
that's
side
what
is on.
happened.
Right side is
So
on.
that's
Yeah.
what happened on the other one. Okay.
Close. Now close this. Now click add. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's create your fifth ad account. Okay. Create a new ad account. Click that button.
Who knew that they would let you have so many?
I
I
knew it.
like it.
So paste it. Paste. Just paste. Paste. Control V. Just change it to number 5. That's why we were going slow, you know. So
Right.
now select your payment card. Next,
Right.
my business. Click create. There you go.
Well, it was worth it to go slow, wasn't it?
Yep, it's worth it. You're not in a hurry, right? So that's a good news. That's like good. Now turn everything on. As I told you, Annie, that it's all about this whole digital marketing or anything in the world is a complete process. Okay? Now, remember one thing. Now you have 5 ad accounts, right? Now,
Yay.
if you, yep, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's,
Now,
it's
whenever you go to your ads manager, let's say, okay, if you go to your ads manager, you would be able to, you know, you would be able to
they're
see
both active now.
all are active. Okay, both the campaigns are active. So
Oh,
you would
yeah.
be able to
Okay.
see, you see ad account. Now, right now, this is your, right, you will be able to see all your ad account, right? One, now right now we are into ad account 1, right?
Right.
Now, if you go to your ad account number 2, you won't see any campaigns there because we don't have any campaigns, right?
Right.
So don't
Right.
get confused because when you log in by mistake, you might go into other ad account and you might feel that, oh, where's the campaigns, right? So you have to click here and you have to come to ad account 1. Okay, same
Okay.
applies for the other ad
Okay.
accounts, right?
Okay.
So add any ad account 1. That's why we have those numbers. Now both of the campaigns are active. C2 is also active, and ad sets for the C2 both are active. So we are going okay, and
Yeah.
we are going to check the optimization for the other campaigns tomorrow. Okay.